Tolia, la Volta region. A slave trader, a Gila Fiapo. Tɔkɔ Atɔ la nye ya. Aka metition o global menye nkwanye Tɔkɔ Atɔ lia. Nkwantontonto nye Atorkor. Abe odrama e ojo le brugbama. Atorkor. Henye nkola ntontonto. Yen ko ba chi le nema be Tɔkɔ Atɔ lia. Ekpo menye ya. Afike yevu wa fle slave o le va yi.
This area, what you are seeing now, is a site where slaves were sold. Slaves were brought here, sold, sent to the castle for Princeton. There, people were taken away into slavery, into the Americas. The drawing you see here is a symbol of how the slaves were kept. It's a monument that has been preserved by the Atorkor people for people to be visiting. It is not well kept. It has to be developed. It has to be done very well so that visitors who come to the area can come and look at it as an attachment to the Fort Princeton at Keta. I think we will have to find some program that will be able to develop this place into a small tourist site for visitors to the area. The monument you are seeing there is a woman who has been captured. It is broken down. The cement work is spoiled. It has to be rebuilt and made into a better monument to be more visible for people to see it, so that whenever they come here, they know that this is where slaves were formerly kept. So this is where we are. Thank you very much. Fia miele Atorkor. Amoba ameo de vieux ho ameo do drone slaves. Keta fio klona ogbanya, oklona ovana gbanya fiva klona ina de keta. Then a fourth man in the early 17th century. No plovia, no plomavia, odra now in the Volta. If you Volta hand, but slave masters so for now, Juna, Bedrana, you will America. Fear me about the pa, when you walk around about the pa, Agba, the very Audrey do, no Chamagba, Wazu, Nuni, Abanam over, tourist over, Kata, President Volta. The men that went to Plovia, Fia, Alabama, walk with the pa, walk over Fia, with a view, road tree, Fear in the real area where slaves of a chapel to Hanafimaco, Opro no church, not donor Tobuma, employed the Volta, Hana, Akipo, Afio, the Americas.
The Oklo to Volta region of fear, Lafibubu.
Opro to different places. Who play no, I mean, drama more, I feel on Banaya, I back on our junior.
Nkwantontonye eka because I'm going to Atorkor.
Atorkor, we only like a woman. I can overflow of your coji in the Atorkor, overflow coji in your tapa. The pale I never fear.
What the phone now?
We can write a proposal for here.
I have one still.
Fear. Nothing aji propose ajiga agbe. I'm address the prayer to find on a site for a tourist attraction in future.